Welcome to today's video on the history and evolution of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a methodology that focuses on reducing variation and improving quality in business processes. It has become widely popular and implemented by numerous organizations around the world. In this video, we will explore how Six Sigma was developed, how it has evolved over time, and its impact on businesses today. Let's start by looking at the origins of Six Sigma. It was introduced in the mid-1980s by Motorola, a leading telecommunications company. They created Six Sigma as a quality improvement approach to reduce defects in their manufacturing processes. The term Six Sigma refers to a statistical measure that represents a level of performance with only 3.4 defects per million opportunities. This level of performance is achieved by using data-driven decision-making and statistical tools. Over time, Six Sigma gained attention due to its significant impact on Motorola's success. In the 1990s, it caught the attention of other companies, such as General Electric, who embraced it under the leadership of Jack Welch. Welch saw the potential of Six Sigma in improving business performance and used it to transform GE into a more efficient and profitable organization. As the popularity of Six Sigma grew, many other companies started implementing the methodology. They recognized its ability to improve quality, reduce costs, increase customer satisfaction, and drive innovation. Six Sigma evolved from being primarily used in manufacturing to being applied in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and service sectors. In the early 2000s, Six Sigma was further refined and developed by experts and practitioners. It incorporated lean manufacturing principles to create a new hybrid methodology known as Lean Six Sigma. This approach combines the focus on reducing waste and improving flow from lean with the statistical analysis and process improvement techniques from Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma allows organizations to achieve even greater efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Today, Six Sigma continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of businesses. With advancements in technology and data analytics, organizations can apply Six Sigma principles to gain insights and make data-driven decisions on a larger scale than ever before. It has become an essential tool for organizations striving for continuous improvement and staying ahead in today's competitive market. In conclusion, Six Sigma has come a long way since its inception at Motorola. It has proven to be a powerful methodology for reducing defects, improving quality, and enhancing overall business performance. From its origins in manufacturing to its application in diverse industries, Six Sigma has become a globally recognized approach for achieving operational excellence. Whether it's through the original Six Sigma framework or the hybrid Lean Six Sigma, organizations continue to utilize this methodology to drive success and deliver exceptional value to their customers. Thank you for watching this video on the history and evolution of Six Sigma.